You are chosen, not by chance, but by a higher calling, a purpose that transcends the ordinary. Yes, you. God, in His infinite wisdom, has handpicked you for something extraordinary. This isn't a random selection, it's a deliberate act of love and intention. It's a feeling deep inside, a quiet, knowing that you are meant for more. It's that gentle nudge, that whisper in your soul that tells you there's a greater path ahead. This isn't about ego or pride. It's about recognizing the divine spark within you. It's about understanding that you are a vessel of light, meant to shine brightly in a world that often feels dark. We all have this spark. It's what makes us human. It's what connects us to each other and to the divine. It's a reminder that we are all part of a larger tapestry, each thread essential to the whole. It's the whisper of God saying, you have a part to play in this grand story. Your life has meaning, your actions have impact, and your presence is a gift to the world. He doesn't choose the perfect, He chooses the willing. He chooses those who are ready to step into their purpose, despite their flaws and imperfections. He chooses the open heart, the heart that is ready to love, to serve, and to make a difference. So embrace this divine tap on the shoulder. Let it guide you, inspire you, and lead you to the extraordinary life you are meant to live. Think of your life as a blueprint. Imagine each line, each curve, meticulously planned and drawn with intention. Every detail, no matter how small, has a purpose. God, the architect, has drawn every line with purpose. He envisions the grand design, the masterpiece. That is your life. Each stroke of His pen is deliberate, each mark significant, each experience, each relationship, each triumph, and each tear, they all have meaning. They are the colors and textures that add depth to your life's canvas. The joys and sorrows, the highs and lows, all contribute to the richness of your story. They shape you. They mold you. Just as a potter shapes clay or a sculptor chisels stone, your experiences carve out your character, revealing the beauty within. Sometimes we question the design. We find ourselves lost, staring at the map of our lives, unsure of which direction to take. The path seems winding, the destination unclear. We wonder why we face certain challenges, or why certain paths seem blocked. These moments of doubt and confusion are part of the journey, testing our resolve and faith. But God sees the bigger picture. From His vantage point, the twists and turns make sense. The obstacles are not barriers, but stepping stones, guiding you towards your true purpose. He knows the strength you'll gain, the wisdom you'll acquire. In the end, every challenge faced, every lesson learned, will reveal the masterpiece He always intended you to be. Your purpose is your gift to the world. It's the unique way you're meant to spread love, kindness, and light. Maybe it's through your words, your art, your compassion, or your simple acts of service. Don't compare your purpose to others. Your purpose is yours alone. Embrace it, nurture it, let it blossom. Doubt and fear may whisper in your ear. They may tell you you're not good enough, not worthy, not ready. Don't listen. These are the voices trying to dim your light. Remember, you are chosen. You are loved beyond measure. You have everything you need within you to fulfill your purpose. Section 5. Embracing the whispers of your soul. How do you find your purpose? Listen to your soul. In the stillness of your mind, in the quiet moments of your day, your soul speaks to you. It guides you towards what truly matters. It whispers to you in quiet moments. What brings you joy? What activities make you lose track of time? These are the moments when you are most connected to your true self. What makes you feel alive? What breaks your heart? These emotions are powerful indicators of your soul's desires and your life's purpose. These are clues. Follow them. They are the breadcrumbs left by your soul, leading you towards a life of fulfillment and meaning. They will lead you to your purpose. Trust in the journey, even when the path is unclear. Every step you take is a step closer to your true calling. It might be something grand and world-changing. You might be destined to make a significant impact on the world, to inspire and lead others. Or it might be something small and simple. Your purpose could be found in everyday acts of kindness, in the love you share with those around you. Both are equally important in God's eyes. Every purpose, no matter how big or small, contributes to the greater good. Embrace the whispers of your soul and let them guide you. Section 6. The Tapestry of Life. Imagine a beautiful tapestry. Each thread, each color, each knot contributes to the masterpiece. Your life is like that. Your joys, your sorrows, your connections with others, they all weave together to create something beautiful and unique. Trust in the process. Trust in the weaver. Section 7. Finding serenity in the journey. Life is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. Don't get discouraged. Don't lose heart. Find serenity in the journey itself. Embrace each moment. Find joy in the simple things. Be present. Be grateful. Section 8. Living a life chosen by God. Living a life chosen by God isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about striving to be a little bit better each day. It's about spreading love and kindness wherever you go. It's about making a difference in the world, no matter how small. It's about living with purpose, passion, and love. Section 9. Go forth, chosen one. You are chosen. Never forget that. Go forth with confidence, with courage, with an open heart. Embrace your destiny, live your purpose, and know that God is always with you every step of the way.